Good day, brothers and sisters in Christ, saints and sinners, family and friends. This is Lady Tiffany coming to you, founder of I Stop Awareness Now, a nonprofit organization protecting the rights of children, parents, and families dealing with CPS or the judicial system. I would like to show you the logo of I Stop and the telephone number that you can reach if you're having problems with CPS. No matter what state you're in, you can contact me, and we can see how we can get you to understand your rights in your legal cases. I specialize in individuals, children, parents, and family whose rights have been violated to due process of law, civil rights, the Bill of Rights according to the U.S. Constitution. If you can be so kind to give me a call at 810-309-7279, I will greatly appreciate it. I will lead you to your case in civil court, um, in criminal court, in federal court. I will show you your rights, how to protect your rights to due process of law, how to file lawsuits, the declaration of facts, um, file lawsuits in federal court or civil court, um, according to pro se litigants, meaning by yourself for yourself without an attorney, and so you won't lose your civil rights. When you do get representation by an attorney, you give up your rights to in the courtroom, so you don't have rights to say anything to the judge. He has to be directed to your attorney, so you don't want to give up your rights in the court of law. Um, Again, I I write. I also contact in advocating for your rights. I contacted state officials, governors, state officials, um, the president, depending on your situation and how your rights have been violated, your civil rights, your Bill of Rights, your rights to due process of law according to the U.S. Constitution, and I will lead and guide you to what you need to do in your legal case, far as advocating for your rights. I have been an entrepreneur since 2003. I am a mother of 8 beautiful children that the Lord has blessed me with. And I fought the system and won. I fought 6 courts from 2009 to 2014. 5.5 years. My children was wrongfully taken from me by the state of Texas, and 2 states were involved, my home state, Michigan, and I filed my own motions and lawsuits myself so that I can get my kids out of the state's care. And so I founded I Stop because the Lord led me to stand up for the children, parents, and families dealing with CPS children who were being abused, killed, molested, raped, rights being violated. The parents didn't had wasn't was uneducated, was illiterate when it came to their rights and what they need to do in their case. So they were signing over their rights. Their rights were being terminated, and their kids were just being taken from them and adopted out. According to Title IV Emergency Systems of the government, under the No Child Left Behind Act, you they get Title IV emergency assistance from the government to basically pay the state CPS to take care of your kids. You're telling the state that you need help because you have abused your children when you sign the safety plan. So you don't need to sign anything if you have not abused your children. Abuse and neglect is a crime, punishable by law, 10 years or more prison time, felony and misdemeanor, according to the said state. That is the law across the 52 states in the United States. Okay. So therefore, if you abuse your children, you're supposed to go to court in a criminal court of law, and the police are supposed to do an investigation and put you in prison because you don't mess over kids. God say, if you hurt one of these little ones, it'll be worse than a milestone tied around your neck. God is going to get you for sure for abusing and neglecting children, whether they're your own adopted children, family, friends, cousins, however they're related. If they not know kin to you, they not your family, but you have adopted them. God will get you for sure for messing over kids. So I am a law-abiding citizen. I protect the right. I don't have a criminal record. To be a part of iStop, I like to employ people who have either been in the system. um, they are mothers or advocates, and they've been in the system, but they also do not have a criminal record. They are Christians. They are humanitarians. Because iStop, has a, you know, I'm going to show you my business plan, and this is my portfolio. So this is my business plan, if you can see that. So in my business plan, it says that iStop is a legal name. It was founded in the state of Texas in 2012. It is a company and a structure and a sole proprietorship. iStop company structure will consist of family advocates, attorneys, referral, client and children, parents, and family rights training. To advocate, train, educate children, parents, and families in the law, civil rights, and protection of due process of law rights. Training clients, advocating for families, transportation to court, attorney referrals, teaching law seminars, and teaching client rights to due process of law seminars. Children, parents, and families of CPS or whatever, DSPS or whatever it's called in your state, is all referred to CPS, children, parents, and families, uh, children, parents, children protective services. That's what it's called, children protective services. So whatever name is called in your state, that's what it is, CPS, children protecting services. Cases and the judicial system dealing with family rights. It's a nonprofit organization. My competitors is CASA, DFPS, Health and Human Services, and CPS, of course. A company currently operates in the following industry: nonprofit. iStop Awareness Now is a legal name of the state of Texas and in the state of Michigan. But I can help you in no matter what state you live in the 52 states, even in third world countries. Company goals and objectives: to advocate, train, educate children, parents, and families in the law, civil rights, and protection of due process of law rights. Company ownership structure: the company is structured in a sole proprietorship. Ownership background: Tiffany Kwan Villapando, an entrepreneur for over 30. Well, this was been created. So I've been an entrepreneur since 2003. It is 2023, so over 20 years I've been an entrepreneur. Company management structure: iStop company structure will consist of family advocates, attorney referrals, client, children, parents, and family rights training. Within 3 to 6 months, by 12 months, our clients shall reach their goal. Company assets: iStop Awareness Now. Assets are 10,000 to 60,000, equivalent to any funds. The product: training, children, advocating, and family, transportation to court, appointments, court hearings, attorney referrals, teaching law seminars, teaching clients' rights to due process of law, and law seminars. iStop Awareness Now was licensed and founded in 2012. It became a nonprofit organization in 2015 because I saw how parents didn't have money to fight the system like God had blessed me to do, to get their kids out of the state scared. And so I originally started off in 2012 as a for-profit organization, but I changed it to a nonprofit organization so it will be easier for children, parents, and families to afford the services. And all services are negotiable. The prices are negotiable, but the services are free for all children, all God's children in the United States. We accept donations daily. The future products are more structured training of rights advocates. Marketing plan: children, parents, and families in DFPS and CPS court cases and or the judicial system dealing with family rights. location analyst, current location to business, established customers, children, parents, family, clients, pricing, nonprofit, social media, advertising, competitors again is CASA, DFPS, CPS, Health and Human Services, daily operation, advocating for family rights will with court appearance with families, transporting families to and from court training, clients to understand the law and their rights, and helping find community resources. The operational facilities, nonprofit, family advocating for clients' rights, and monitor children, parents, and families more closely in the foster care system. Staffing must have no criminal record, must have driver's license, must have a degree or trade license, must enjoy helping people. Christian and humanitarian beliefs are highly important. So that is my business plan. I have my law and my license in this portfolio. Copies of different state officials' letters, like Barack Obama, different presidents, state officials who have written me back. My Christian ministerial license that I graduated with honors on the T.D. Bishop Jakes Ministry, and on the woman to woman. These are just other state official letters that I got back from the president, state officials. And so I do have a good rapport with state officials. And I've been in business for so long. And so I just want to be able to do what God has called me to do, and that is protect the rights of children, parents, and families dealing with CPS or the judicial system. No matter what your court case is, no matter what the challenge is, I can show you within 3 to 6 months, 12 months the maximum, how to fight your case legally and understand your rights. Even when you're dealing with the police, and whatever the case may be legally, I specialize in people whose rights have been violated by the law, their civil rights, their Bill of Rights, their due process of law rights according to the U.S. Constitution. So if you would be so kind to give me a call at 810-309-7279 if you're having any open and closed CPS cases, no matter what state you're in. I'm currently licensed in the state of Texas and the state of Michigan. However, I still help people in other states, because once you know the Constitution, you're able to maneuver through the states, because all the states have their own Constitution, but they all have to adhere to the United States Constitution. I pray that all is well with all who tune in to this channel. Do subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button. I am new to YouTube, and I am trying to gain followers so that I can reach more people. So even in third world countries, so I can help people understand their rights. So when I come on, I will be talking a lot about the law, Declaration of Fact, due process of law, the Constitution, and you will be getting educated on your rights. You can contact me via email at istopawarenessnow@yahoo.com. You may email me if you're having problems with your cases. I do accept case files via email. Like I said, you may text 810-309-7279. And you also can reach me on Facebook under I Stop Awareness Now, or under my legal name, which is Tiffany Villapando page on Facebook. You can reach me on Twitter under I Stop 1475. You can reach me on another Facebook page called I Stop 1. You can also reach me on Twitter. You can reach me on Instagram under Lady Tiffany 1475, and those are the platforms that you currently can reach me on for our social media. Thank you for your time and listening and subscribing to this channel. Be blessed.